What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the engine air filter on a Nissan Armada. Let's get started. Okay guys, so step number one is you're going to want to unlock your car and look right under the steering wheel here. You're going to look for a lever that has a icon of a car with its hood open like this. Go ahead and pull that. That's your hood release. You'll hear your hood kind of thunk. If you then walk over to the front of your hood, you'll see if you peek down right by the Nissan badge, this one has a yellow colored lever right here. Okay, you just want to go ahead and kick that to the left or the passenger side. It'll unlock your hood so you can raise it. Okay, that's what our engine bay looks like. Perfect. This box right here is what holds our engine air filter. It's very easy, very simple. There's going to be 5 clips around it. You just want to push them back to pull them off the box. There's 1, there's 2, here's number 3, here's number 4, and number 5 is way back here hiding, if you can see it right there. And again, you just want to pop it off. Okay, and then Becca, if you can grab the camera real quick, just hold it right here on top of the box. Now that that's all off, actually let me see, there's also 2 little sliding clips. Let's try to focus. So I can't show the other one because it's far back there, but you can see this one right here. You see this plastic tab? It's part of the upper part of the plastic housing for the engine air filter, and it slides into this little tab that's part of the bottom half. This actually splits in a top half and a bottom half. Go ahead and hold it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the box first towards the driver's side to kind of disengage those little clips, and then we can raise it up. And then you can see right here, this is our engine air filter. Now you just want to grab it, okay, take it out. And then as you can see, this one is cooked. It is so black and gross and dirty. You just want to take it out and then replace it with your brand new engine air filter. Now this is a rental car, so I don't have another air filter, but this one for sure needs to be replaced. This is disgusting. I will say that it's shaped a certain way with a corner cut off that you can only put it one way. Some of these air filters, if you buy them aftermarket, and by the way, if you need links to the part number or any aftermarket filters, they will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and take a look. They have airflow markers on them, so there's like they'll tell you which side the air should go up or down. So make sure you take a look at that. But for this one, for the most part, it's very hard to mess it up because you can only fit it in one way. So then just pretend this is a new air filter. You just want to place it in there. Okay, in the box, have it nice and seated all the way around with the weather stripping completely seated. And then the next thing you want to do is just everything in reverse order. You want to get those plastic clips back into those little retaining slots here. All right guys, now that we got those little U-shaped plastic clips in order, we can go ahead and put the metal clips back on. They snap on real easily. I will say it's hard to see those plastic clips back there. If these metal clips don't just snap on super easy like mine do, for sure either your filter's on wrong or it's getting caught somewhere, or the number one most common reason that happens is those plastic tabs back there are not locked in completely or seated completely. So check those areas. But otherwise, super simple, super easy. Takes you 2 minutes, so it'll save you hundreds of dollars. So that's it. That's all there is to it. I hope this helped you guys save a bunch of money. If it did, go ahead, give me a thumbs up down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Take care. Bye.